We are back with another live. This is the second live of the day. अगर आपने पिछली live नहीं देखी, it was with the one and only Tushar Kapoor. So it is there in our stories for the next 24 hours or so. तो आप वहाँ जाकर you can rewatch it if you haven't already. But अगर आप फिर भी मिस कर देते हैं तो we have a solution, guys. इंस्टेंट बॉलीवुड का यूट्यूब चैनल है, आप उसको जाकर सब्सक्राइब कर सकते हैं और वहाँ पर जाकर ये सभी लाइव स्ट्रीम्स जिनके भी साथ हो रही हैं वो सारी दोबारा देख सकते हैं. वी हैव सो मेनी पीपल हु हैव जॉइंड एंड आई एम गोना गिव अ कपल ऑफ शाउट आउट्स. वी हैव the Manoj Shetty, we have Shubham Porwal, we have Brinda, we have Azita, we have uh, Oman, hi. Smile again. We have Raful, hi Raful. We have Yash, we have Shivangani Gulati, hi. We have Real Vicky, we have Sam K. Kundra. Okay, बिफोर गेटिंग इन टू एनीथिंग एल्स लेट मी जस्ट टेल यू दिस कि जो आज के हमारे गेस्ट हैं इस लाइव कॉन्वर्सेशन में जो हमारे साथ जुड़ने वाले हैं, आई एम super duper excited to speak to him. And the biggest reason is कि we are A from the same school and B from the same city. How lucky I am to be speaking to him today. अगर आपने इंस्टेंट बॉलीवुड की पोस्ट चेक कर ली होंगी तो आपको अभी तक पता चल गया होगा, बट अगर आपको नहीं पता, सो आई विल बी स्पीकिंग टू करण कुंद्रा टुडे. ही विल बी जॉइनिंग अस टुडे लाइव. सो आई गेस विदाउट फर्दर अडू आई एम गोना इनवाइट हिम टू दिस लाइव कॉन्वर्सेशन एंड amazing live conversation coming your way. Let's do this. Hi, Jeep. Hey, hi. Hello, hello, hello.
What's up?
Welcome,
No
Karan, to
freaking
Instant
way.
Bollywood.
Are we from the same school and we are from the
Yes,
same? क्या बात
yes.
कर रहे हैं भाई?
I am
क्या
from
बात कर
Jalandhar.
रहे हैं?
I am from Jalandhar, and you are from Jalandhar. I know you're from APJ school. I am from APJ school, and I specifically, you know what? Let's just ignore this live session for a moment.
हाँ
I have to say.
थोड़ी देर के लिए रुक जाते हैं.
Huh.
एक काम
I have
करते
to I have to tell you this. Your success, Karan, your achievements make me supremely happy and proud. क्योंकि
हैं.
मुझे, it's just a sense of belongingness that we all have with you from Jalandhar. कि हमारी city से एक लड़का who is from normal background has done so beautifully for himself in his life. So many congratulations and so happy for you.
That is so sweet, man. That is just so sweet. It is. I mean, I didn't know this, okay, guys. So I didn't know this that और मैं अभी live आया and I was like, अरे ये क्या बोल रहा है? This is amazing. This is just crazy. I mean, you've just changed my mood, my day completely. Or
I was
whatever
really
you
happy.
said, what happens? You get a lot of love, you get a lot of attention, you get a lot of praises from a lot of people, but people that you've grown up with, the people that you belong to, and I'm somebody who's always remained very true to my roots, and when
Absolutely.
somebody like you says such nice things, it's almost overwhelming for me. पर मैं अभी रोऊंगा नहीं, मैं बाद में फोन करके रोऊंगा.
I think Karan, I think it's very well deserved. मैंने कोई ऐसी बात नहीं बोली है which is just because you're sitting in front of me. I feel like कि ये चीज मैंने लाइफ में एक सीखी है कि कॉम्प्लीमेंट्स हमेशा दिल से देने चाहिए और ट्रू देने चाहिए. And this is a genuine compliment, and it's just not because कि we are from the same city and that is why मेरे को compliment देना पड़ेगा. And I'm so proud. We are from the same school.
No, of course,
And
that's true, and I mean it's a pleasure. High five, brother.
high five to you. High five to you.
इस लाइव
I
सेशन के
want,
बाद बहुत लंबी बात होने वाली है हमारी.
of course,
All these
100%.
things. अच्छा कल ही ना मैं कल I don't know अभी I want to know कि एक जगह होती थी मॉडल टाउन में. I'm sorry everybody else. I'm
Yeah.
deviating from this place because I've met a homie after a long time. एक जगह होती थी
Yes.
जलंधर में मॉडल टाउन में जिसका नाम होता था कनकुतरा. Do you remember that place?
Kankutra chusta pite the. Yes, we
अरे
have it.
यार,
We still have it.
is it
Yes,
still there?
yes,
Is it
yes. It is there. It is
Mr.
there.
Bajaj? I remember Mr. Bajaj, man. I used to be, and I live very near to that place, and it's been around all my life. Oh man,
Yeah.
right now quarantine खत्म होने के बाद I am taking a flight. You know why?
Back.
वो जो
Yes.
टुस्टा के ऊपर वो डालते हैं ना, वो ड्राई और उनसे हम बार बार बोलते कि अंकल और डाल दो ना, थोड़े से अंकल और डाल दो.
थोड़ा refill कर दो, थोड़ा refill कर दो. हाँ,
Oh
हाँ.
man, this is just awesome. Yeah.
But Karan, in fact, I have seen you so many times because I remember जब मैं college में हो ना, after school ended, and you had already begun people recognize you by your face and you are this public personality. And हम आपको देखते थे बहुत बार, I think during vacation or during your downtime, you used to come back to Jalandhar sometimes, और हम मॉल्टन में आपको गेड़ी लगाते हुए बहुत देखते थे. We say, oh, we see Karan Kundra all the time. So, but
So
आज मैं
cool.
बहुत खुश हूँ कि
So
आपसे
cool.
बात करने का भी मौका मिल रहा है. एंड पहले तो थैंक यू भी कहना चाहूंगा for doing this for instant Bollywood, because like I say, you can be doing 10 different things, but आज आपने ये थोड़ा वक्त निकाल कर हमारे
It's
से बात
it's
करना
it's
है.
absolutely my pleasure, man. And it's not just you. It works for me as well, because it's not that started following you today. I follow Instant Bollywood for a long time, and one place I say this, and मैं भी बोलता नहीं हूँ ऐसी चीजें, और मुझे मतलब if you know me, you know कि मैं फालतू बोलूंगा नहीं.
Of course.
But Instant Bollywood has always kept it positive. They've always kept it nice. They've always kept it clean.
Yes.
No negativity, कोई गंद नहीं, कोई कुछ
Absolutely.
नहीं. So I think
बिल्कुल.
I give a this, kudos to you guys that you've kept it nice, and that's what we like, at the end of the day.
Thank you so much. I think Karan, with these lives also, हमारा objective यही रहता है कि I always try कि these lives should be a positive insight कि जिससे भी हम बात कर रहे हैं. But before we get into the typical questions, I want to know, quarantine चल रहा है, and you are somebody we know you have been super involved, like whether it's web series on Alt Balaji, कितना कुछ है पूछने को, but you have been super involved in so many projects. अब क्योंकि हेल्थ क्राइसिस की वजह से आप घर पर रुके हुए हो, तो what is your mental state right now? Are you taking it positively, or are you like बस बहुत हो गया यार, अब घर से बाहर जाके गेड़ी लगा?
यार गेड़ी गेड़ी के लिए तो मैं अभी भी जा सकता हूँ, स्पेशली मॉडल टाउन की गेड़ी, और मुझे और चाट खाने के लिए तो मैं जा ही सकता हूँ. But on a when we talk about the lockdown and the fact that we are staying at home, we're indoors, I try to keep it very, very positive. A lot has been said about my relationship, my work. A lot of speculation are happening about me being finalized for Big Boss, or So I mean, so much is going on. I just before the lockdown happened, I was shooting for Dili To Hai, which is on
Season 3,
season 3.
it's streaming on Alt Balaji. Everyone watching this live, so after this live stream ends, जाकर Alt Balaji पर देखो, come back to Karan's Instagram and give him all the love and show him all. Yes, please continue.
And at the same time, we were promoting It Happened in Calcutta, which is my
Yes.
biggest show, also on Alt Balaji. So it was very hectic. And at the same time, I remember when we did the screening for It Happened in Calcutta, the screening got over about 11:30, and we guys all were together at my place. By the time I ended the night, it was 2 o'clock, and I had a 5 o'clock in the morning flight for Delhi, where I was shooting, and I had to go to Karnal to shoot for a film. And I've had a very hectic schedule, and I was like, I need a break, and I need a
You
break.
just said it.
I just said it, and I was planning it, because what happens is, you some of these events that come to us way in advance, आप लॉक कर देते हो, एक डेट उसमें फंस
बिल्कुल.
जाती है. फॉर एग्जांपल मार्च में एक डेट फंस गई कि यार चल ठीक है 15th को ये कर रहे हैं, तो देयर इज नो पॉइंट गोइंग टू द स्टेट्स टू योर फैमिली, बिकॉज आप 10 दिन के लिए क्या जाओगे टू कम बैक. So I was already planning that, because life is very hectic. You wake up at 6:30 in the morning, you hit the gym, sets are far away. A lot of people don't know, like
Absolutely.
in Mumbai, most of the locations sets take a lot of time because of the traffic, especially in the morning.
Yes,
And
absolutely.
so it's a hectic schedule. You don't get time to spend with yourself. And I've realized one thing, that the minute you start focusing on yourself, the minute you start spending time with yourself, being alone, doing stuff that you want to do, you actually evolve as a person. You're more बहुत सारी confusions होती हैं life में, जो कि
बिल्कुल.
caught हो जाती हैं, because you spend time. So many answers you get when you when
Yes,
you question yourself.
absolutely.
No
एक
matter
introspection में
how
आपको
many
बहुत
friends you
बिल्कुल.
have, no matter how many mentors you have, there are certain things that only you can decide for yourself, and for that you cannot have distractions around you. You need to be with yourself. So many shows, so many movies I wanted to catch up with. I'm doing all of that. So I think I have always, and it's not just recently, I've always been very, very positive in my life. Be it the toughest of situations, be it however it is, I've always looked at the brighter side of things. At least I try.
I'm really happy that you put it out like that. Because I feel like Karan, for a public person, and I mentioned this just in the previous live that we did at 4 today with Tushar Kapoor. उनसे भी मैंने यही बात की. I was like, for public people like you, who everybody can recognize on streets, you know, your life somehow becomes like a fish tank. आप
Yeah.
लोग बाहर से देख रहे हैं, आपकी एक एक
Correct.
मूवमेंट को जज कर रहे हैं, आपकी
Correct.
एक एक एक्शन को लोग नेगेटिव पॉजिटिव तरीके से बता रहे हैं.
Correct.
It becomes overwhelming, I'm sure, but it is extremely important to, you know, like you said, के खुद से answers ढूंढना, deciding good things for yourself, which I'm so happy about. But tell me, let's just get into a little more work on the work side. Tell me, very important question, Karan. How did acting happen? Why acting? Why in the entertainment industry? Why not an engineer? भाई क्यों लड़का डॉक्टर क्यों नहीं बना?
Actually, a lot of people don't know that I was studying for my MBA. Around the time when I entered my dad's business, and I was I think the second person who had started a call center in Jalandhar way back when
Yes.
I was in APJ college. So acting just happened, yeah. I remember, when I was in college, and I had started working all night because the time difference used to be. So I was
Yeah,
running a call
absolutely.
center from my house for the US. So I was sitting at my house, and I was eating a lot of junk food. I'd gained a lot of weight, so I was 107, 108 kgs. And by the time, yeah, I was. This was, I think, this was
107.
second year of college or something.
Nobody can tell now, of course.
Yeah, so I'd gained a lot of weight, and I was successful in my business, but then I was like, yeah, ये मैंने अपना क्या कर लिया है, so my dad and my mom have always been very fit, and they've always inspired us to be fit. And so वहाँ पे there was this magazine. It said, I think it was a Grasim Mr. India magazine, and there are two of my people in my family's circle from Jalandhar who had been a part of Mr. India.
Oh, wonderful.
And and one of them, Chakravarti Dada, these guys who own Dada Motors in Jalandhar. So they,
Oh, of course,
yeah,
of course. Yes, yes,
yeah.
yes.
So he had been a part of Mr. India, and he was a very dear, elder brother kind of a friend of mine. So he, I called him. I was like, "Bhai, आप Mr. India के लिए गए थे?" He's like, "हाँ." So he's like, "You want to go?" I was like, "Yeah." He's like, "Okay, I'll prepare you for that." So then I did Mr. India, but my intentions were never to move to Bombay and try for acting and everything. But a lot of pictures were clicked. Like I got a lot of attention from that, and I made a couple of friends in Mumbai. But I was never in Mumbai. I was in Jalandhar, and that time I was into construction. I was making something in Model Town. And accidentally, I happened to come across Ekta Kapoor's Facebook profile, and I sent her a friend request. And at that very time, she was casting for two shows for NDTV Imagine.
Imagine.
And
Wow.
those shows were Bandhani and Kitni Mohabbat Hai. In Bandhani, Ronit Roy, who was signed.
Yes.
And in Kitni Mohabbat Hai, I got an offer, and they asked me to come down to Bombay, and I was like, I'm not coming down to Bombay, because I had so many friends who said कि यार यहाँ पे audition करने पड़ते हैं, बड़ा मुश्किल होता है. And I'm like, no way am I doing all of that. So then they were like, कि अच्छा ठीक है यार, send us a video, like a test video or something. And I was like, okay. And I sent that, and can you imagine, Ekta ma'am liked me through that. And
just that video. Who would have imagined?
Arey yaar, if you see that video, it's the stupidest video that anybody can make. You can imagine 2008-9 में कैसे cell phones होते थे, और जो भी उनकी video cameras होते थे, उसमें मैंने गंदी पीछे construction चल रही है, और वो लोग वहाँ पे मतलब सामान सीमेंट बजरी लेके जा रहे हैं, और मैं खड़े होके ऐसे मतलब I'm just making an intro video. But that's how it is, man. I think it's destiny. I was at the right place at the right time. And the funny bit was that Kitni Mohabbat Hai and Bandhani, two very big shows for NDTV Imagine at that time.
Absolutely.
Ronida is also 11th October. His date of birth is also 11th October. And the other show, which was Kitni Mohabbat Hai, in which I was launched, my date of birth was also 11th October. So it was very cool, and that's how it
was just fitting. Yes.
It was, and so I took a flight. I came. I met everybody. I told them I don't know how to act. I'm an industrialist, for God's sake. I'm into IT, and they were like, leave that to me. And at that very moment, the Lehman Brothers thing happened in the US. The entire world went into a recession. Construction, retail, IT, everything dropped. And my dad is like, यार वैसे काम धंधा तो कुछ है नहीं, तो तू कर ही ले.
यही कर.
So the only thing that happened was that my dad had to come back from the States and take care of the business. But my dad has seen this industry from a very close perspective, because my dad and my mom, they met in Mumbai, they fell in love, they got married. So my dad knows a lot of people here. So he told me one thing, when I started work. He said, they call me Sunny at home, and so he was like, Sunny, I just want to tell you one thing.
My nickname is Sunny. What are you saying? Har band, high five on that. Even my nickname is Sunny.
पर ये
But
होता
yeah,
है ना,
please
ये
continue.
जलंधर में होता है ना,
ये होता है, ये
बंटी,
होता है.
लवली,
Bunty,
सनी,
Bittu, Sunny, yeah.
बिट्टू. So yeah, and that's what he said. Yeah, he said one thing that don't be ever try to be a part of the rat race. Enjoy it till it lasts,
Enjoy it.
and I'm always there for you. And I'm still enjoying it. So that's how I actually started. Yeah.
But you know what? Like you said, and Karan, I think मुझे ये भी लगता है कि the part of your success is because आप अपनी success को एक बहुत ही modest, grounded तरीके से बताते हो कि it was incidental, सबने select कर लिया, video भी ऐसी थी. But I'm sure कि there has been a lot of hard work, and मैं ये क्यों कह सकता हूँ क्योंकि it's not just films, it's not just reality shows, it's not just web series. Your overall your standing in the public eye, it has been because there has been no backing. Of course, family आपको ये बोल सकते बेटा तू कर,
Yeah.
और acting तो खुद ही करनी पड़ेगी ना.
Yeah,
Going
yeah.
there, getting to make contacts, and from a city जहाँ पर entertainment का कोई यहाँ पर लेना देना नहीं, it's very limited यहाँ पर. But
Yeah.
Mumbai is महानगरी, वहाँ जाकर to make your own name, to build contacts. I think it's
See,
kudos to you for doing that.
I'll be very honest. I never had to struggle. My first launch show
Really?
was actually given to me in a platter. But a lot of people say that getting to the top is easy and staying there is the tough bit. I've lasted for a good 10, 11 years, and I've seen ups and downs. Yeah, I remember in 2014 or something when we used to make a show called Gumrah. So
I saw that.
I was not doing. Yeah, that was a show was very close to our heart, and it was all hard. It was all good intentions. It was all made for kids to understand what crime is, and there's a generation gap.
Absolutely.
So I remember उस time पे there was one point where I had only 120 or 130 rupees left in my account, and I didn't have the heart to tell my dad, because we are brought up in a way, or maybe वो होता था कि I always want him to feel proud of me. I
Absolutely.
still
ये होता
remember
है.
I called up my best friend and I was like, this is my situation, and he immediately came over to my house and he gave me his credit card, and he said, keep this and we'll figure it out. And there was a lag, payments वगैरह नहीं आ रही थी. So a lot of people don't see that, especially
They
a
don't see
lot
that
of,
because you also don't talk about it. हम सिर्फ glowy pictures देखते हैं, but we don't see कि
but
he has had his
but
struggle time.
that's the sad part of our industry. आप किसी भी actor को उठा के ले लो, आप so many people that I know myself उनकी struggle. आयुष्मान को देखो यार, आयुष्मान आज कहाँ का कहाँ पर पहुँचा हुआ. He's such a great actor, he's such a brilliant human being, but he's worked so hard to get here.
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
there's hard work everywhere. There's there's a lot of passion that is involved. आजकल इतने सारे
And a lot of struggle.
Yeah, there is. You are here, man. The struggle is real. There are so
Absolutely.
many of these youngsters who've now come up. Who become immensely popular, and वो सब जब आप उनकी बातें सुनते हो, and I'm like, dude, these guys. It's the age. It's the age of
It's
the
the
social
age.
media. It's the bubble. आप लोग compare कर रहे हो कि देख मेरी 5 million की following है, उसकी तो सिर्फ इतने की following है, and so I'm like, guys, you are not on the right track. I'm very very fortunate that I had somebody like Ekta Kapoor. I had somebody like who, these people who know the industry, जिनकी खून में film है यार, film industry, जिन्होंने हमें बहुत grounded रखा था, जिन्होंने हमें सही से तरीके से समझाया था कि यार ये करोगे तो अपने ब्रांड पे काम करोगे. If this is what you do, then there's nobody who can come and touch you. So I've seen a lot of these people, they come, they spread negativity, they go, and they're always talking about fake it till you make it, and buying followers,
Doing all sorts of those stuff which are not like, I feel like we are not long lasting.
long, because see, then they are in the industry for the wrong reasons, to be very honest.
Yes,
अगर आप यहाँ
yes,
पे
yes.
एक्टिंग के या अपने म्यूजिक के या अपने किसी पैशन की वजह से हो, तो आपको ये चीजें नहीं क्या आपको लगता है कि कोई somebody as great as Lata Mangeshkar उनको लग रहा होगा कि भाई इंस्टाग्राम में फॉलोअर्स होने चाहिए. नो. You know what I mean?
Exactly, exactly.
ये बहुत ही scandalous भी sound कर सकता है, but this is a basic
No, it
information.
is not at all. I mean, you're right. When you say people are stuck up in the numbers, कि इतने नंबर की फॉलोइंग होनी चाहिए, I agree with what you
But
say. I think that is
that
very well put.
no, I understand. I agree with you. होनी चाहिए और हमारी है, but you have to understand that that's not the only thing. आज Instagram है, कल TikTok होगा, परसों कुछ और होगा. आपकी branding, there's a big difference between being popular and being a star.
Absolutely.
Being popular does not mean कि 150 रुपए की आपकी 1.5 लाख टिकटें बिकेंगी जब आपकी फिल्म आएगी.
Yes.
there are so many actors, जिनकी फिल्में इतनी बिकती हैं, but they don't care about Instagram, or they don't
Yes.
care about
Yes.
So
Social media
it's
with
very
numbers.
important. I
Yes.
also understand that wherever I'm today is also because of the strength and the connect of social media, but I will never ever in my life take it for granted or start assuming that I'm somebody who's invincible or something. Every night when
Absolutely.
I was talking to my best friend and I was like, bro, आगे करना क्या है यार, काम ही नहीं है कुछ. You know what I mean?
बिल्कुल,
So
बिल्कुल,
we are as
बिल्कुल.
real, we are as vulnerable. In fact, we are more vulnerable because we can be replaced. Like we can have hits and we
Yes.
can have flops. वो फैक्ट्री
Yes.
वाला हिसाब किताब नहीं है कि आप चलते जा रहे हो, प्रोडक्शन बढ़ती जा रही है,
बिल्कुल.
वो हो रहा है. You never know. Today you are big, tomorrow you are. और हमने पिछले 10 साल में कितने लोगों को बनते, कितने लोगों को खत्म होते देखा है.
बिल्कुल, बिल्कुल.
So for me, I've always been very happy that and grateful that I'm a part of this line, but I've always never taken out of consideration the fact that this can be temporary. So I think that's
You
what
know what you said is very important for at least all of the youngsters watching this right now, so who also look up to you. Like you said, of course social media is important. The fact that we're able to have this conversation is through this platform. Numbers, yes, maybe numbers are important, but people make numbers such an obsession. Like you said, it's so fickle. Aaj, your work is being liked. Tomorrow you might end up doing a flop project, and what? Then what? So it is very fickle, and I understand,
see
and it's a very real thing that.
my only message to a lot of people who aspire to be in the industry, uh, uh, my message is that your passion should be towards the art. अगर आप एक्टर बनना चाहते हो तो आपका पैशन एक्टिंग की तरफ होना चाहिए. अगर आप सिंगर बनना चाहते हो, योर पैशन टुवर्ड्स शुड बी, आपको रात को नींद नहीं आनी चाहिए. आपको आपके दिमाग में गाने चलने चाहिए, आपके दिमाग में वो कल क्या करें, चल ऐसा करते हैं वैसे करते हैं. बट a lot of people are getting misguided. They are thinking कि यार एक काम करते हैं, टिकटॉक वीडियो बनाते
Fame.
हैं. So if you run after, so one thing is very simple: if you work hard and if you work towards your talent, then fame and money will run after you, but not the other way around. So it's a very simple message.
Absolutely.
और there are, in उनकी गलती भी नहीं है. There are a lot of people जो उनको misguide कर रहे हैं. और वो बोल रहे हैं कि अच्छा आजकल तो बातें हो रही हैं, I mean, let's not even get into that. ये किसी और टाइम पे हम बैठ के इस पे चर्चा करेंगे. But
But what you said is very important. For sure.
it's important because don't forget what you are here for. Don't forget the basic. Don't forget the
Yes.
basis of what art is, and don't forget कि मेहनत करनी पड़ती है. ये टिकटॉक वीडियोस बनाने से हाँ टेम्पररी हो सकता है, बट ये एक फेज है, ये एक बबल है, ये बर्स्ट हो जाएगा. तो इसको सर पे मत चढ़ाओ. बी ग्रेटफुल अबाउट इट, but try to use it for your own good and don't get like all cloudy about it.
मतलब सेंस ऑफ एंटाइटलमेंट नहीं आना चाहिए. आपको हार्ड वर्क करते रहना चाहिए, एंड you be able to use what you have, the power of social media, to enhance your career, not be like you said, not have a cloud about it.
सिंपल सी चीज है. सेंस ऑफ एंटाइटलमेंट तो एक एक्टर को या एक आर्टिस्ट को आनी ही नहीं चाहिए, क्योंकि हम जो कुछ भी हैं वो इन हमारी ऑडियंस की वजह से हैं. अगर आप अपनी ऑडियंस के सर पे चढ़ के इंटाइटल फील करना शुरू कर दोगे तो आपकी बेसिक्स, आपकी फाउंडेशन गलत है, आप कभी भी गिर जाओगे. So it's good. I mean, and it's good to be arrogant. I'm not saying that. अनख होनी चाहिए बंदे के अंदर, जैसे हमारे जलंधर में बोलते हैं, पंजाब में बोलते हैं कि अनख होनी चाहिए. और मैं बिल्कुल, अगर आपने मेहनत की है और आपकी फाउंडेशन स्ट्रांग है, आप शिखर पे खड़े हो, तो होनी चाहिए थोड़ी सी. बट वो जो अनख होती है ना, उसके पीछे एक नॉलेज होती है, उसके पीछे एक एक्सपीरियंस होता है. वो अनख कम और वो वो एरोगेंस कम और आपकी योर साइलेंस बिकॉज इट्स नॉट वर्थ इट वाली बात होती है. So उसको copy
फोकी अनक नहीं होनी चाहिए. It should be well founded.
it
For
should be
sure.
well founded. It should have a basis to
Yeah.
it, not like कि यार आज मेरे ये हो गया तो चलो जी ऐसा हो गया. So it has to be.
Tell me, Karan. It's the time of quarantine. Everybody's locked down, and of course, there's health crisis in the country. But आजकल अपने घर पर रहकर, of course, you're not able to go to work, which you, I'm sure, love to do. So how are you utilizing your time? Are you working out or not? Are you like कि भाई मैं बिंदास खा रहा हूँ, मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है?
मेरा
या
my newfound love is cooking. तो मैं आजकल रोज अपने दोस्तों की अपनी फैमिली की मदद से कुछ ना कुछ चीजें बनाता हूँ. I'm surprising myself, and so yes, I'm watching a lot of cinema. I'm watching a lot of Spanish
that is
cinema.
amazing.
I'm watching a lot of South Korean cinema. Lot of stuff. कुछ ऐसी movies थी जो मैंने 15 साल पहले देखी थी जिनको मैं दोबारा देख रहा हूँ. A lot of shows that I wanted to catch up with. I'm doing that. I am also jotting down some concepts. कुछ मेरे को ideas movies देख के आते हैं या हम सोचते हैं कि यार इसको recreate करना चाहिए. Because I think a 4-way or a 5-way growth is very important. You can't just be
Absolutely.
आप सिर्फ अपनी acting के basis पे ही आगे
एक linear path नहीं होना चाहिए.
linear path नहीं होना चाहिए. So I think you have to keep attaining knowledge. You have to keep attaining gaining skill sets. So I'm trying to figure out. I'm sitting and I'm trying to figure out what's going to be my plan of action as soon as this gets over. What's going to be my plan for the next year? Where do I want to see myself? And what are the kind of stories that I want to be part of? Do I want to tell those stories, or do I want to just? So it's a lot of planning is going on. But I assure you, it's time well spent.
Tell me, now that I look at you and all of the work that you've done, by the way, guys, once again, a reminder to all of you watching, after this live ends, you should go to Alt Balaji and
Yes.
then watch both of these series. It's season 3 of Dili To Hai. It's streaming, so please go watch it and come back.
I would totally recommend Dili To Hai.
And come back and give all of your love to Karan on his Instagram. But tell me, working at a web series which has so many seasons now, which has multiple episodes, ठीक है, एक बहुत लंबी कहानी रहती है, which is stretched. It's not like a 3-hour movie. And at the same time, at a reality show, जहाँ पे it is an edited show. Then doing a TV show, जहाँ पर you're the face of the TV show in every household. हर रोज उनके घर पे 8 बजे भी आपका serial आ जाएगा और लोग खाना वगैरह बना के बैठ के देखेंगे.
Correct.
How different it is working on these 3 different things?
I think again coming back to that, the basic thing is that.
And what do you like more, and what do you prefer?
See, again, my answer has always been the same. I'm an actor. My only job is to, make sure that you think while watching me, you're convinced that I'm not Karan Kundra and I'm the character that I'm portraying. Correct.
Yeah.
So that's my basic job. कि I have to convince you कि ये जो character मैं portray कर रहा हूँ तो ये वो है. क्योंकि अगर आप मेरी schooling मुझे ये बोलती है कि आप नहीं tension ले सकते कि आप एक street play कर रहे हो या आप एक कोई 20 करोड़ की फिल्म में एक्टिंग कर रहे हो या आप एक वेब सीरीज कर रहे हो या आप एक छोटे कैमरा के सामने खड़े हो विद 50 यूनिट या फिर आप एक 550 यूनिट की सामने खड़े कर रहे हो. You have to be honest with your art, and that is it. So for me, and I compete with only myself. इसको आप इसको arrogance बोल लो या इसको आप अनखी कह लो. I don't give a shit.
Self assurance. Let's call it self assurance.
कह लो कि मतलब मुझे कोई पूछता है कि यार वो इतना अच्छा कर रहा है तो मैंने कहा good for him or good for her.
Absolutely. Everybody has their own journey.
And I've never really cared. So I only compete with myself. So every time that I'm giving a shot, I have to make sure that when I pack up, I know that I've given my 100% and I've done better than what I did yesterday. So I've done hardcore television with shows like Kitni Mohabbatein 1 and 2, where you wouldn't go home for 6, 7 days. You won't get off for 6 months. Your first show, because obviously and they all blame the television people, but I totally उस टाइम पे मुझे किसी ने ये नहीं बोला था कि यार तू नया है और तुझे एक्टिंग नहीं आती है और तेरे को टेक्निकलिटीज नहीं पता है इसलिए हमें 4 टेक एक्स्ट्रा लेने पड़ रहे हैं. मुझे किसी ने ये नहीं बोला था. I used to say कि यार क्या है यार 20 घंटे शूट नहीं होती है. But today I realize when I work with the newer people, you have to be so patient. एंड अगर उस टाइम पे टाइम लगता है तो वो मेरे लिए ही लग रहा था. सो आई एम नाउ व्हेन आई लुक बैक आई एम सो ग्रेटफुल कि यार यू नो माय डायरेक्टर, माय प्रोड्यूसर, माय को-एक्टर्स, they were so patient because if I was taking more time, because I was on a learning curve at that time, you know, they were all there for me. That's why now I am there for people who come and I assure them,
who come, yes,
yes,
for sure.
30 takes, 35 takes, doesn't matter. I'm here. I will give you my cues. I'm standing here. I will not pack up before you pack up. Don't worry. I'm here for you. So that is my schooling. So I enjoy thoroughly. I am honest with my work, you know, and I love what I do. So there is, you know, television is hectic, web is slightly different, films are completely different, you know. So it's just a format. If you look at it, you know, a story that can be told in 2 hours, 2.5 hours, it has to be enacted that way because there has to be a different graph.
पेसियर होती है, थोड़ा स्पीडियर
It's
होती है.
space, yes. So you know, आपका एक आपको 27 या 28 सीन्स मिलते हैं 2.5 घंटे के अंदर. आपको 27-28 सीन्स के अंदर जल्दी जल्दी एक पर्टिकुलर स्टोरी तक पहुंचना है, तो आपको परफॉर्मेंस उस हिसाब से करनी पड़ेगी. टेलीविजन में बहुत सारा टाइम होता है, वो सेम स्टोरी हफ्ते तक चल रही होती है, आप आराम आराम से कर रहे होते हो. सो एवरी मीडियम हैज इट्स ओन यू नो वेज ऑफ डूइंग थिंग्स, and I thoroughly enjoy all of them. And you know, I keep saying the same thing again and again, that television is something that has made me into what I am today. And you know, so for me, the utmost respect is for television people. And I've seen it कि you know, a lot of people look down on television, have used to look down on television. Let me tell you,
Which is, I don't understand why. Like, that is bizarre. Absolutely
I
bizarre.
have an explanation for that also, because these people don't know their shit. You know what I mean?
True.
मैं अनीस भाई के साथ मुबारका शूट कर रहा था. अनीस बाज़मी, ही इज वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट डायरेक्टर्स यार. उन्होंने इतनी बड़ी बड़ी फिल्में हिट की हैं. एंड सेट पे वहाँ पे यू नो, मेरे से बड़े, मेरे से बहुत सीनियर एक्टर्स हैं, यू नो, सुपरस्टार्स हैं. और ये जितने लोग हैं, मैंने अनिल कपूर के साथ काम किया है, मैंने यू नो, आई वर्क विद रत्ना पाठक मैम, राहुल देव, ये जितने भी होते थे. एंड यू नो, दे यूज्ड टू, एंड अनीस भाई, दे यूज्ड टू से कि सुनो, ये टेलीविजन वाला है, ये दोबारा टेक नहीं देगा क्योंकि ये इतना टेक्निकल है, इसको ये भी पता है कि इसकी लाइट कहाँ पर है, इसको ये भी पता है कि इसको डायलॉग कहाँ पे लेना है, इसको सात टेक पुराने का भी इसको कंटिन्यूटी मालूम है, ये आप गलती कर लोगे, ये नहीं करेगा. एंड यू नो, दिस इज द काइंड ऑफ लव एंड रिस्पेक्ट दैट आई गॉट. And that is
TV
where
people, TV actors have.
yeah, and that is when I realized कि people who are genuinely there, like an Anil Kapoor, like an Anees Bazmi, like a Ratna Pathak Shah, जो genuinely वहां पर है ना, जिनको बोलना चाहिए, the people who, जिनके पास है वो authority look down करने वाली, वो
To
look
be
down
able to speak about it. Yes.
वो look down नहीं करते ब्रो. वो नहीं करते हैं. ये जो बीच के बंदर है ना, जो बहुत elitist टाइप के लोग होते हैं, जो ना वहां पर है, ना यहाँ पर है, you know, grapes are sour वाली बात है. And I'm just giving you a simple example of these people, you know. So ये इनका बनता है. अगर ये बोले ना कि हाँ करण, तू तो दोनों टीवी करता है, मैं फिल्म करता हूँ, मैं कहूँ हाँ सर है.
आप बोल रहे हो तो मेक सेंस.
आपकी लेगेसी है, आपका बनता है बोलना, आप बाप हो. लेकिन ये जो जितने तगड़े लोग हैं ना, जो बने हैं अपने आप, और जो एक्चुअली वहां पर हैं, उनकी ये थिंकिंग ही नहीं है. They do not think like that. And I assure you, in the past 10 years, I have made friends with a lot of people who've reached there. They're out there. They don't think like this.
You know, Karan, I wanna also, it's so amazing to see, क्योंकि आपने जैसे ही बोला कि you know, you've come from a different background. You know, एक इंडस्ट्रियलिस्ट को जाके बोल दे कि सेट पे जाकर भाई एक्टिंग शुरू कर दो. Your learning has been on the job. No book,
Yes.
कोई सिलेबस नहीं कि भाई ये किताब पढ़ लो, थोड़ी एक्टिंग सीख लो, या स्कूल में चले जाओ. It has literally been like you said कि initially your directors were patient with you, your producers were patient with you, you know, your co-actors were
Yep.
making sure कि आप अपना काम से करो.
Yep.
And you know, to be able to not do a web series, it's, I'm sure your family is also proud. What is your family's reaction post this कि भाई बेटे ने काफी कमाल दिखा दिया? How do they feel?
I think यार एक टाइम था जब you know, when I used to go somewhere and people used to ask कि ये कौन है, तो लोग बोलते थे कि ये मिस्टर एसपी कुंद्रा का बेटा है. एंड यू नो, अब मेरे डैड कहीं किसी कंट्री में जाते हैं तो बोला जाता है कि ये करण कुंद्रा जो है ना, वो उनके पापा है. सो ये चीज मेरे डैड ने मुझे बताई कि यार अब मेरे साथ ये हो रहा है. तो आई थिंक फॉर अ फादर, फॉर अ मदर टू बी यू नो, टू बी recognized by
Your name, yes,
their children's achievements is, I think, a wonderful thing. And you know, today they're proud of me. And that for me, I think, is the biggest achievement that I could have done in my lifetime. I still think यार मैं अपने parents ने जितना उन्होंने काम किया, जितनी उन्होंने मेहनत की है, from where they've come, from where they've reached, अगर मैं उनका 5% भी कर लूँ तो मेरी जिंदगी तर जाएगी. But the fact that abhi recently when it happened in Calcutta came on air, and my dad and my mom were sitting and watching, and it was my sister's birthday, and a lot of Indian people, from our community, Indians, Pakistanis who had come for her birthday. My dad and my mom were very proud, and they showed them that this is what my son does, and it's beautiful. It's quite overwhelming.
It's
It's very
beautiful.
बड़ी छोटी सी बात है, बड़ी सिंपल सी चीज है,
But बहुत मीनिंगफुल है. Yes.
बट वो मेरे लिए बहुत मीनिंगफुल है कि यार हाँ मतलब चलो इतना तो कुछ किया लाइफ में. I'll never be able
Of course,
to, I'll never be able to.
and I think it's not just your family, Karan. I think everybody is so proud. I think क्योंकि like you also said, and I can also मैं ये इसका कह सकता हूँ, I can vouch for it कि it takes a lot of hard work. It takes more than just being good looking. It takes a lot more than that. It takes a lot of discipline. It takes a lot of struggle, a
It
lot of
takes a
hard work, and
lot of patience,
yes,
and a lot. The most important thing is to cut out the negativity, and वो
absolutely.
positive रहना और passionate रहना बहुत जरूरी है. It's a normal industry जहाँ पर ups and downs, it's like that cycle. There's a boom, and then there's going to be a recession. There are going to be people who love you, and there are going to be people who don't love you.
No matter what, will not like you.
There are
Yes.
people who are going to love your work. There are people who are not going to love your work. But you have to understand कि अगर आप अभी जो एक टेक दे रहे हो, या मैं अभी कुछ जो कर रहा हूँ, वो 5 लोग भी अगर देख रहे हैं ना, I owe it to them. It's my responsibility. Even if there's just 5
Yes.
people who love me, it's my, and
Yes.
so there might be 100 million people who don't love me. But if there are 5 people who love me, I will still keep persevering. I will still keep working hard, because it's my responsibility, and that's
The size of your audience doesn't matter. It's the love that you get, and I think वो चाहे कम लोगों से भी मिले, उनके लिए responsibility हर एक
Of
की
course,
आर्टिस्ट की
of
बनती है,
course,
for those 5 people,
they've
for
given
sure.
you your life, they've given you your lifestyle. Do it for them. And ये चीज actually I remember ये मेरे अंदर instill की थी, because I have like a photographic memory. तो I remember हम पता नहीं क्या शूट कर रहे थे, बहुत देर हो चुकी थी, एंड कृतिका, she was in कितनी मोहब्बतें with me, everybody knows her. She was my co-actor, and she had already done a show, so she was my senior. So मैं बहुत पका हुआ था, और मैं बहुत थका हुआ था, और मैंने ना एक अच्छा टेक नहीं दिया. So the director was like, okay, and then Kritika came and told me, she's like, why did you do it like that? I was like, यार मैं पक गया.
Properly, yeah.
Yeah, and वैसे भी यार क्या है इस टाइम पे, मतलब ये आएगा जाएगा पता भी नहीं चलेगा. And so then she told me this thing. So she said, "Acha, how many people do you think are watching, would watch this?" I was like, I don't know, maybe 5% of the people. She said, "You owe it to those 5% people," and I'm like, "Oh shit!" I went and
Makes sense.
requested to
Makes sense.
my director, and this has, so ये जो है ना, ये मैंने अपने जितने भी आगे उसके बाद जब मैंने अपने जूनियर्स के साथ काम किया, ये चीज मैंने उनके अंदर पहले डे इंस्टिल की है कि यार लोगों को नहीं पता कि बारिश हो रही है और आप भीग के आए हो, लोगों को नहीं पता कि
आपका क्या लाइफ में चल रहा है, you have to
लोगों
give it
को
that one
नहीं
shot.
मालूम कि बहुत गर्मी है, लोगों को नहीं मालूम कि बहुत ठंड है, लोगों को नहीं मालूम कि आप 18 घंटे से काम कर रहे हो, लोगों को नहीं मालूम कि आपको नाश्ता नहीं मिला है, लोगों को नहीं मालूम कि आपका ब्रेकअप हुआ है. People don't know all of this. इस कैमरा, अच्छा, people don't know that you've been shouted at by your director. People don't know any of this. तुम
Yeah.
सिर्फ स्क्रीन पे दिख रहे हो, and do it for that. Give your 110%, because if you don't, somebody else will, and they will overtake you.
Absolutely. Karan, not getting into the details because I don't want this life to be anything more than the positive person that you are. But still, just addressing this one thing. Do you think, in retrospect, अगर आप पीछे मुड़कर देखो, do you think I think I'm trying to put it in a better way. Of course, you are a public person. हर कोई आपकी लाइफ में, आपकी जिंदगी में इंटरेस्ट लेता है.
Correct.
किस तरह के कपड़े पहनते हो, किस तरह के शूज पहनते हो, कौन से प्रोजेक्ट्स कर रहे हो, आपकी इंस्टाग्राम प्रोफाइल, everybody is just constantly following you, admiring you and loving you. But that also comes with a cost. And that cost is that if you share your personal life details, whether it is your relationship or your friendship or whatever it is, people have opinions about it.
Correct.
Do you think now, at this point of time, do you think in retrospect it is okay to be open about relationships or not be okay about it? Do you think it takes away people's attention from your work sometimes? What is your opinion about it?
See, I come from the school of thought where I have chosen this industry. I have chosen this
Yes.
line. Then I know the perks of being in here. And I know the negatives of being in here. Uh, since we, I'll बहुत ही basic terms में I'm going to say it. Since the basic fact that आज हमारा घर चल रहा है उन लोगों की वजह से, आप गाड़ियों में घूम रहे हो, आप गुचीज पहन के घूम रहे हो, आप इतना कुछ कर रहे हो, आपकी मेहनत है ऑफ कोर्स, ठीक है,
There's
लेकिन
also the love and admiration of people.
करेक्ट, आपके शो बिक रहे हैं, आपकी फिल्मों की टिकटें बिक रही हैं, ये उनकी वजह से है. तो इफ अगर आपने ही ये चूज किया है, देन देयर इज यू शुड नॉट and I don't mean to disrespect anybody else who does not like it that way, but you should not be upset about the fact that people are interested in your life, because politics,
For sure.
cricket, politics, cricket and Bollywood, ये तीन चीजें हैं. ये अगर आप इस इंडस्ट्री में घुसना चाहते हो तो आपको पता होना चाहिए that you are setting examples. People are gonna follow you. आपको यूथ आइकॉन बुलाया जाएगा, आपको पीपल आपको इन्फ्लुएंसर बुलाया जाएगा. You are influencing people. You are eating off the people. Then don't be
Yes.
don't get affected when people are gonna be interfering in your life. And of course, एक limit होती है. You cannot be interfering in people's lives so much. Me and Anusha have faced it before, where some of the fans had interfered so much that it became a problem.
Of course.
So I would say कि I chose this line. It is my responsibility. So I have to deal with it. So it's as simple as that.
I'm sure. And you know what? I feel like um, it's beautiful just to see how sane and sorted you are. And I think now I understand also why so many people really aspire to be like you or consider you their inspiration, Karan. Because genuinely, it's not just the work that you do online; it's the kind of person that you are, जिसकी वजह से लोग आपसे जुड़े हुए हैं. But since we are on instant Bollywood, I have this amazing segment before we wrap this conversation up. That is quick questions with Karan. इसकी बहुत ही
Yes.
quick question पूछूंगा,
Let's
उसके
do
quick
it.
answers आप दे दो ना. It's very easy, ठीक है?
Let's
So
do
I'm
it.
going to ask you the very first question. What do you admire the most in a person that you meet for the first time?
It's the simplicity and the honesty. That's it. Simple.
Amazing, amazing. Where would you go if you were invisible?
Nah, I'm not. इतना भी creep नहीं हो यार. इतना creep भी नहीं हो. But I think the first thing I'm gonna do is go look for all the India's most wanted जो लोग इधर उधर वाली countries में छुपे हुए हैं, उनको ढूंढूंगा जाके.
Oh,
और it'll be easy, because we know where they are. It's just that there's no proof.
Yeah.
So बंदूक चलानी तो आती है मुझे. And so I think the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a couple of countries, find out a couple of people, and bring them back.
and dish them.
मतलब
Amazing,
हाँ,
amazing.
मतलब, अगर फिल्म बन रही है तो डिश का, अगर रियल लाइफ है तो ले आऊंगा वापस कि भाई तुम ले आओ इसके साथ.
Tell me, Karan, and this is from an admirer. This question comes from an admirer. Having achieved, I'm sure, Abhi, there's a long way to go, Karan. I'm sure there's so much success waiting for you.
Yeah, fingers across.
Filhal, fingers of touch wood, I'm sure, and this is for sure happening. But tell me, after doing so much and achieving so much, what is there in your bucket list? The top thing that is in your bucket list, career-wise.
Again, see, I am only obsessed about being happy in my life, having my loved ones near me, a balance. I'm a Libran. I need a balance in life. I need.
What the hell are you talking about? I'm a Libran too. Are we brothers from? I don't know what it is. I am a 21st October born, so that makes me a Libran too. But anyway, please continue.
I am 10 days before you, so I'm 11. No, I'm 10 days before you, so I'm 11. So I think for me, a lot of people would say कि यार मुझे एक 100 करोड़ की फिल्म मिल जाए, या मुझे ये मिल जाए, मुझे मिल जाए. It's not that I'm not ambitious. I am thoroughly ambitious. I'm as ambitious as it gets, very ambitious. But I think for me, it's gonna be a balanced life, a long, happy life with a lot of stuff that I want to do. I want to be a part of good stories. I want to write good stories. When I look back, when I'm probably say 70, I want to go look back and say, "Yaar, ये this is something that made a difference in somebody's life, you know.
For sure.
It brought a smile on somebody's face. Somebody was
Amazing.
depressed and they watched me and they smiled, or there was an impact. You know, somebody, यार हम जब गुमराह करते थे ना, हमें को इतने मैसेजेस आते थे कि that यार you know, I was going through the same thing and I was gonna do this, and
It just impacted people's lives in a positive way.
you've literally saved our lives, and you know, और हमारे से फट जाती थी यार, हम लोग घर पे बैठ के अगला एपिसोड लिख रहे हैं, हम like dude, are we getting into something that is you know, this thing. I
Very
remember
serious, yeah.
me and Vikas used to be sitting and मैं ऐसे बियर खोल के बैठा होता था कि भाई चल लिख, मजे कुछ अच्छा लिखते हैं, because we were writing on real stories, and we started getting these messages from people all across the world and in India, and they were like, you know, I was going through the same thing, I was being blackmailed, I didn't know that I could do this, and you've saved my life. I was like, what just happened? So
Wow.
you know, so when I look back, हाँ हो सकता है you know कि you know मैंने कोई फिल्म की हो जो बहुत सुपर हिट हुई हो, you know, but when I look back at that time when I was sitting on the couch while I was doing you know doing a show on Channel V, MTV निकलता है वो से, I was doing a show on Channel V called Gumrah, you know, I have saved somebody's life. फिर चाहे मैं 200 करोड़ की पिक्चर क्यों ना हिट दे दूं कल, I have not saved anybody's life. So
Yeah.
so my pointers are very very different, you know. So
More meaningful than just popcorn entertainment. For
यार
sure.
मीनिंगफुल या एंटरटेनमेंट को मैं नहीं डालूंगा, बट दीज आर द थिंग्स दैट आई रिमेम्बर, you know.
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
it's not that I'm not grateful. I'm very grateful that 1921 जब फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी तो इतने पैसे कमा के गई थी, बट मेरे को उसके अलग वो है, पर वो इतना इम्पैक्ट नहीं आया होगा बिकॉज वो एक अलग चीज है. सो मेरा घर चलता पॉपकॉर्न एंटरटेनमेंट से ही है एट द एंड ऑफ द डे. So I'm not going to say that वो अलग है ऐसा कुछ है, but there have been instances in my career that have really hit me really hard and I will never forget them, and those instances are that I want to look back and you know see कि हाँ कुछ तो खाड़ा life में.
Of course, 100%.
Hi Pooja.
Tell me, God forbid, that should never happen. But if in a hypothetical situation, your plane is crashing,
My plane
who
is
would you
crashing.
want to be sitting? Who would you want to be sitting next to?
I won't be sitting next to it because I'll be flying the freaking plane. That's why it's crashing. वो है ना, तेरे को पता है ना वो जो 4 पैक पाके 4 पैक के अंदर सुन भाई हुन मैच लानी है,
हुन मैच लानी है.
I'm calling वो होता है ना आज गड्डी मैच लानी है हमने, आज फ्लाइट में उड़ानी है. So I think it's a question. It's a great question. I'll think about it. But if a plane crashes, who would I want to be next to? Man,
God forbid. I don't want to even further. Yeah,
but to be honest, I don't want any of my loved ones to be next to me because उनको भी क्यों मारूं? But I think अगर मेरे वर्गा बंदा के किसी का प्लेन क्रैश हो रहा होगा, इसीलिए हो रहा होगा क्योंकि मैं जब उड़ा रहा हूँ, मैं खुद ही उड़ा रहा हूँ. मैं कह रहा हूँ कि जलंधर कितने चलो पाइए गड्डी होते.
Karan, tell me, what is the best compliment that somebody has given you?
Okay, so recently I was working with a new director, and you know, so he's, you know, you come across a lot of different kind of people. Some people have seen your work, some people have not seen your work. They know who you are, but they've not seen your work. So you know, वो blank canvas लेके आते हैं, and a day or two of shooting with that director, and he was a very nice guy who was letting me do whatever I wanted to do because he gave me that kind of you know. Freedom and the kind of respect I trust you, you'll do it. 3 days later working with him, you know, he comes to me and I've realized by now that he's a good director, and he's come to me and he said, Karan, you are one of the kind of people that make me want to go back and see your work. And I was like,
wow.
What are you trying to talk? What are you saying? So he's like, yaar, now that I see you performing in front of me, I want to know more about you. I want to see और क्या क्या किया है. So I think that is one of the best compliments, and it wasn't even meant to be a compliment. As I said, I'm positive in life, so I took it as a compliment कि यार ये बंदा अगर मुझे आके ये बोल रहा है कि you are somebody who makes me want to go back and see more of your work. You
that
know,
is I think one of the greatest compliments.
That's a good compliment. Yeah.
For sure. Karan, before we wrap this up, you know, मैं हमेशा जो भी गेस्ट के साथ हमारी लाइव कॉन्वर्सेशन होती है ना, मैं उनको एक क्वेश्चन कॉमन पूछता हूँ बिफोर दे लीव, बिकॉज इट लीव्स द लाइव कॉन्वर्सेशन ऑन अ वेरी पॉजिटिव इंस्पायरिंग नोट. एंड आई एम श्योर जो लोग देख रहे हैं उनको अब तक अगर देख चुके तो अब इतने पॉजिटिव इंस्पायर हो चुके, आई थिंक कोई कमी बची नहीं है. बट स्टिल आई वुड लाइक टू आस्क यू दिस क्वेश्चन, कारण यू नो हमारी लाइफ में हमेशा एक मंत्रा रहता है एक ऐसा एक दिमाग में एक टैटू होता है, एक लाइन होती है जहाँ कहीं पड़ी होती है, शायद किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया होता है, कभी पेरेंट्स ने बोल दी होती है, कभी टीचर्स ने बोल दी होती है, वो यू नो वी ऑलवेज रेफर बैक टू दैट लाइन इन लो टाइम्स, इन डिप्रेस्ड टाइम्स, एंड दैट रियली इंस्पायर्स अस. करण कुंद्रा की लाइफ में वो एक ऐसा थॉट क्या है which you know really motivates and inspires him during dark times?
There have been a lot of instances in my life which inspire me to do what I'm doing. I've always had a lot of options. I've had my IT business which I set up myself. I have my dad's business, and I had acting. But there was something about this line, हमारी जो इंडस्ट्री है उसमें कुछ ऐसी चीज़ें थी जिसके बारे में ऑलरेडी हिंट कर चुका हूँ. वो ये थी कि आप जब स्क्रीन पे रोते हो आपके साथ कोई रो रहा है, आप स्क्रीन पे जब हंसते हो आपके साथ कोई हंस रहा है. यू आर टचिंग लाइव्स,
Yes.
एंड दैट इज समथिंग सो ब्यूटिफुल एंड सो सिंपल, जो कि बहुत सारे लोग रियलाइज नहीं करते हैं. बट यू डू अंडरस्टैंड दैट वी हैव द पावर ऑफ पुटिंग अ स्माइल ऑन योर फेस, और वी हैव द पावर ऑफ मेकिंग यू क्राई फॉर अस. हम एक मूवी देखते हैं, हमें रोना आता है और हमारा कोई लेना देना नहीं उस बंदे के साथ, हम उसको देख के रो रहे हैं. यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम सेइंग? सो समथिंग लाइक दिस इज ये. और किसी
The gravity of your work is so much. It impacts people's lives.
आप कहीं ना कहीं बैठ के किसी को उनकी लाइफ को टच कर रहे हो. वो उनको आदत पड़ गई है आपको देखने की, उनको वो आपको हर रोज देख रहे हैं एक पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे. दे आर पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ. these people, they are on your social media, you are talking to them, they are like your extended family. So ये चीज I don't think किसी और लाइन में मुझे मिलती. And I think I'm addicted to that. So I think that one thing, when I started realizing कि जो हम करते हैं उसका इफेक्ट, जो रिपल इफेक्ट कह लो आप, क्या क्या हो रहा है.
Yes, yes, yes.
I sobered up a lot. मैं थोड़ा अपने करियर को भी थोड़ा सीरियसली लेना शुरू कर दिया था तब से मैंने. And I became a lot more responsible towards my work when I realized that I'm touching.
It's important for people. Yes.
And I should touch them in the right way. I mean, it sounds wrong, but touching their lives in the right way.
In the right way, for sure, for sure, for sure. Karan, I have to tell you this. This definitely is one of the most. This is a highlight live conversation that I've had in the past couple of days now.
This was so much fun.
बहुत शुक्रिया पहले तो for sparing time and doing this for Instant Bollywood. And for just being the amazing person. I will end this conversation by saying two very important things. One, everyone watching and everyone who will watch this once this live goes to the stories for the next 24 hours, to go watch all of the work that Karan has done, whether it's the upcoming series, whether it's the right now streaming series on All Balaji. You should go watch it and come back and show him all the love on his Instagram. And second thing is, Karan, we love you not just because of your work, but because of the person that you are. And
That is so sweet.
just don't change, and continue inspiring and continue working hard like you've always done.
Thank you so much, man. This was one of the most amazing live sessions I've had.
Same.
We are going to talk
Same.
about अभी फोन करके जलंधर की बहुत सारी discussions करनी है. Let's do
Done.
that whenever you have time.
Done. Whenever you want. All right.
Thank you, buddy.
I
Thank
wish you
so
all
much
the
for
best,
having me.
all the luck, and all the good health. Thank you so much.
for having me.
Changa. Bye.
Changa, Viren. See you.
Bye. All right. I just had a conversation with my Jalan buddy now. So happy, makes me so proud and extremely happy. जाने से पहले मैं आप लोगों को shout outs देना चाहूंगा, जो कि मैं हमेशा करता हूँ. I don't forget that. Don't come at me, okay? KK Kundra _official. What's up? What's good? AMAN2710 says hi. What's up? Shreya Goyal is here. We have Khushi Pandya. We have the Gothic Sea Girl. We have Div Kapoor 01. We have Bhagat. We have Ramya. Thank you so much, Instant Bollywood. Of course. Then we have Aditi Gupta. We have Aniket. Thank you so much, guys, for joining today's live stream. I thoroughly enjoyed it. Karan, if you're still watching, many congratulations on the new work that you've done, and thank you so much for doing this. And आप सब लोगों का भी बहुत शुक्रिया for joining today's live. Jasmine, I see you. Shivu, I see you. Heli Shah, I see you. And again, everyone, Prince Khan. कि क्या हाल है छोरे, बढ़िया है बिल्कुल.
I know a little bit of this Haryanvi, right? Oh, hello. Okay, Priyamani madam is here. I still remember my coffee. Priyamani ma'am के साथ हमारी interview हुई थी अभी कल ही के परसों, I don't remember, but it was such an amazing conversation. And you know what? I went back, and if you still not watched, let me also plug in that Z5 के ऊपर जाकर आप जरूर देखिए अतीत, प्रियमणि मैम की amazing thriller movie. Thank you so much to all of you guys once again for joining today's live. I'm glad कि आप लोग हर रोज ज्वाइन कर लेते हैं. And I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, keep smiling, stay healthy, stay safe. घर पे रहो, खुश रहो, positive रहो, and I'll see you guys very soon. See ya.